वाटर बाय विलियम डगलस। तो जो ये चैप्टर है डीप वाटर वो विलियम डगलस के पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस पर बेस्ड है या जो उसके पर्सनल फियर्स हैं उन पर बेस्ड। सो ही हैड दिस फियर ऑफ वाटर और वाटर फोबिया। ठीक है, तो जो ये चैप्टर का टाइटल है इट कैन बी जस्टिफाइड इन द वे दैट द ऑथर्स फियर was deep rooted or he was deeply feared of water. To be in deep water also means to be in great trouble or in deep trouble, and that is why he has given the title deep water to this chapter. Now also in general sense if we talk about fear, so one's past fears, जो भी हमारे पास्ट में या चाइल्डहुड में कुछ हमें किसी चीज़ से डर लगता है, इट कैन ऑल्सो स्पॉइल वंस प्रेजेंट। तो उन चीज़ों कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस हमने ऐसा किया होता है किसी चीज़ का, तो इट कैन ऑल्सो स्पॉइल वंस प्रेजेंट एंड व्हाट कैन बी डन टू ओवरकम दीज फियर्स इज परसिस्टेंट एफर्ट्स। ओके, एंड ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट डेथ बट द फियर ऑफ डेथ, जिसकी वजह से जो टेरर है, जो एग्जिटी है, वो हमारे माइंड्स में घर कर लेती है। फियर नाउ हैज़ टू मीनिंग्स. It could be different for different people. In general sense, we can say that fear has two meanings. First is forget everything and run. Run from your fears. Do not overcome it and just run away from it. Or second, face everything and rise. You could face your fears and you could grow out of it. You could face and you could rise. You could overcome all the fears you have in your life. So let us explore the chapter now. तो जो डगलस है he has planned to learn swimming and he was 10 or 11 years old when he planned to learn swimming. Okay, so YMCA pool choose किया गया है इस वेंचर को complete करने के लिए because it is safe. The reason being it is safe. याकिमा रिवर इसलिए चूज़ नहीं किया गया है बिकॉज उस समय बहुत सारे केसेस आ रहे थे याकिमा रिवर में ड्राउनिंग के और ऑफ क्लेमिंग लाइफ्स, और मदर ने उसे क्लियरली वार्न किया था कि याकिमा रिवर इज़ इट इज़ डेंजरस। तो इसीलिए YMCA पूल्स चूज़ किया गया बिकॉज इट इज़ ओनली 9 feet डीप एंड 2 feet एट द शैलो एंड्स। ठीक है, तो इट इज़ सेफ इन शॉर्ट. Now he equipped himself to learn the sport. He got water wings as well. So he is now keen to learn how to swim. Okay, but there is an aversion to water resurfaces because of William Douglas experience, childhood experience. तो एक aversion है. Aversion का मतलब हुआ maybe some dislike, a strong dislike, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं एक डिसइंक्लिनेशन है टूवर्ड्स वाटर और टूवर्ड्स स्विमिंग, क्योंकि he had experienced a bad experience when he was 3 or 4 years old. तो क्या था वो childhood experience? He got knocked down by waves at the California beach when he was 3 or 4 years old. Father took it very lightly क्योंकि it was not a very big thing, but the terror struck Douglas' heart. वो बहुत डरने लग गया उसके बाद से वाटर बॉडीज से, वाटर से, and due to the overpowering force of the waves, and he was now terrorized of the overpowering force of the waves. Due to this childhood experience he had this fear, but now he had decided to learn swimming and go to the YMCA pool. तो डगलस जो है वो बिगिन कर रहा था या ही वॉज बिगनिंग टू फील कंफर्टेबल नाउ इन वाटर. उसके अंदर जो अनईजीनेस थी वाटर से रिलेटेड वो जाने लगी थी. ही हैड डेवलप्ड कॉन्फिडेंस नाउ, सो ही वॉज कंफर्टेबल इन वाटर. लेकिन एक दिन क्या हुआ, ऑल्दो ही वॉज बिगनिंग टू फील कंफर्टेबल, बट वन डे मिस एडवेंचर टेक्स प्लेस. डगलस मिस एडवेंचर इन द स्विमिंग पूल, YMCA पूल. ओके, क्या होता है, वन डे ऑल अलोन एट द पूल, नो वन इज देयर एट द पूल एंड द वाटर इज स्टिल इन द पूल. कोई भी अभी तैर नहीं रहा है, नो वन इज देयर अराउंड. सो ही हैड नो करेज टू प्लंज इनटू द पूल अलोन, तो वो अकेले जो है स्विमिंग नहीं करना चाहता, तो इसीलिए वो साइड में जाके बैठ गया. ही सिट्स ऑन द साइड ऑफ द पूल एंड वेट्स. While he was waiting, an 18-year-old boy he arrives, and he has hairy chest, bulging muscles, and has an impressive physique. तो बहुत ही bulging muscles वाला एक 18 साल का लड़का आता है. And what he says to Douglas, "Hi skinny, how do you like to be ducked?" This is what he says, and he pushes him into the deep side of the pool. He hurls him और pushes him into the deep side of the pool. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, डगलस he falls into the water, into the pool in a sitting position. एक sitting position में वो जो है swimming pool में fell करता है. What happens next? Let us see. So on the way down he planned what will he do. ही प्लान कि जब वो नीचे पूल की तरफ जाएगा उसकी फीट जो है इट विल टच द बॉटम एंड ही विल मेक अ बिग जंप. ही विल कम टू द सरफेस, लाई फ्लैट ऑन द सरफेस एंड गो टू द एज ऑफ द पूल. बट व्हाट हैपेंड एग्जैक्टली इन रियलिटी, लेट अस सी. उसने 3 बार ट्राई किया टू कम आउट ऑफ द पूल एंड व्हाट वाज ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन दीज trials. Let us see the first trial. ही वॉज फ्राइटेंड. जब उसे 18 साल के बच्चे ने उसे जो है धक्का मारा पूल में, वो नीचे की तरफ गया. ही प्लान्ड ऑल ऑफ इट कि मैं जाऊंगा एंड आई विल कम अप टू टू द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर. लेकिन उस समय वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था, बट ही वॉज नॉट फ्राइटेंड आउट ऑफ हिज विट्स. ही वॉज कॉन्शियस एंड ही वॉज प्लानिंग हाउ टू कम आउट ऑफ द वाटर. लेकिन जो वो 9 feet वाटर था, इट वेट लाइक 90. ओके, ही गैदर्ड ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ, bobbed to the surface like a cork, but he couldn't. Okay, he screamed, but only water could hear him. Although he made all the efforts to come out of the water, but he could not, because 9 feet for him was just like 90 feet. He gathered his strength but could not come out. Second thing, he screamed. उसने चिल्लाना चाहा लेकिन no one could hear him, only water could hear him. ठीक है, तो उसकी आवाज़ जो है बाहर भी नहीं जा पा रही. Again he got to the bottom. Again he tried. Now in the second trial he lost all his breath because he has already tried once. तो अब जो है उसकी जो strength है वो कम होने लग गई. His lungs ached, head throbbed and dizzy. तो he is suddenly or he is gradually losing his consciousness. उसके जो lungs हैं they are filled with water and his head is throbbing. Okay, तो जो terror है it is seizing him. Terror is surrounding him now. उसका heart जो है वो अभी भी चल रहा है. He could feel the heartbeat. So यही सिर्फ जो pounding in head है और जो heartbeat चल रही है, इसी से he knows that he is still alive. But he is in a condition जहाँ पर terror ने उसे surround कर लिया है and he has lost all his breath. This is what he experiences in the second trial. अब third बारी में जब वो try करता है दोबारा से ऊपर आने के लिए, so he sucked for to get air, but he got water. This is what happens in the third trial. And now blackness swept over his brain. ये जो पैनिक हो रहा था या जो वो इतना ट्राई कर रहा था, इतना पैनिक कर रहा था 2 ट्रायल्स में, वो जो पैनिक था वो अब और नहीं था थर्ड ट्रायल में. ब्लैकनेस स्वेप्ट ओवर हिज ब्रेन. he stopped trying now and he felt like tender arms have surrounded him just like mother's arms, and he has crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. This is what he thought, this is what he experienced. तो इस तरीके से वो एग्जाम्स में भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं कई बार कि जो पहली बार उसने ट्राई किया तो उसने कैसे एक्सपीरियंस किया. तो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. इस तरीके से आप जो है एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे इसे सेंटेंसेस में फ्रेम करके. दे कैन आस्क यू इंडिविजुअली कि फर्स्ट में क्या हुआ, सेकंड में क्या हुआ, थर्ड टाइम में क्या हुआ. or they can simply give you a long question and they can ask you about how Douglas tried to come out of water and what did he experience. I hope आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा. First trial में he was frightened, but he was not frightened out of his wits. He planned what he need to do and he does that, but he fails drastically. 9 feet जो है उसे 90 की तरह लगने लगे. He screamed but only water heard him. Second time में he lost his breath. He tried but terror seized him. Third time में blackness swept over him. There was no more panic and he felt as if the curtain of life fell. Okay. So after his 3 attempts to come out of the water, when he finally gave up, he regained consciousness and जब वो conscious हुआ, जब वो होश में आया, उसने क्या देखा? He finds himself next to the pool vomiting. Okay, so he has gained consciousness now, and the big boy who the 18-year boy who pushed him into the water, he is making a lame excuse, but I was only fooling. मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था. And so this is the way he do fooling of people. Okay, so never mind what the immediate effects of this experience. Let us see. तो घंटों बाद भी Douglas was weak. He was trembling. He could not eat anything that night. Okay, जो टेरर है, जो फियर है वाटर का, वो दोबारा से जाग चुका है and this fear haunts him for days. He develops phobia of water due to this terrible experience. He avoids all the water bodies. He avoids pools whenever he can. लेकिन कुछ सालों बाद भी क्या होता है, ये तो immediate effects थे कि इस misadventure के बाद. What was his condition? A few years later also, he is deprived of the joy of fishing, canoeing, boating, swimming, or all the water sports due to his deep-rooted fear of water. And every way to overcome it has terribly failed. Okay? Now Douglas was determined to finally defeat his fear of water. What he does for that, he finally engaged an instructor in October for learning swimming. ठीक है, अक्टूबर में जो है एक इंस्ट्रक्टर की हेल्प से ही इज नाउ रेडी टू लर्न स्विमिंग. तो उस स्विमिंग को लर्न करने के लिए, सीखने के लिए क्या हुआ, a rope was attached to a belt and it was put around Douglas and he went to and fro in the pool for weeks. This experience happened for weeks and this was the initial learning for him, ताकि वो जो है comfortably pool में जा सके. तो this was the first thing he learned. उसके बाद बहुत महीनों की relentless प्रैक्टिस की उन्होंने and it finally bore fruit. ठीक है, तो इतने efforts थे, जो इतने hard work था, it finally paid off. How? The persistent efforts, उसकी मदद से जो fear था, जो persistent fear था, जो consistent fear था, वो shed off होने लग गया and it started fading after 3 months. He learned inhaling and exhaling while swimming. Inhaling, exhaling सीख ली Douglas ने. And for weeks he learned kicking in the water. Although his feet were very very stiff for weeks, but finally he could command them. Okay, and finally he was given a clean chit in April by his instructor. तो जो है उसे clean chit मिल गई. Now finally this person Douglas, who had this fear of water, who had water phobia, who had developed water phobia due to some of the misadventures, now he has got clean chit from his instructor in April. He started learning in October and got clean chit in April. After that his efforts continued and he tried swimming while alone at the pool. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, आई थिंक लेक वेनवर्थ में उसने ट्राई किया स्विमिंग करना अलोन एंड फाइनली ही सक्सेसफुली ट्राइड crawling breaststroke, side stroke and backstroke in the water. And he successfully does that, and all the fears he had now started shedding off, or it started disappearing. Okay, so piece by piece the instructor had built a swimmer out of Douglas. So the work of instructor was finished, but not of Douglas. And again, after learning swimming, he went to, as I already told, to the Lake Wentworth, and he tested his skills again. And yet another test to build his confidence was when he went to the warm lake. He dived and swam, and finally he conquered his fear. Okay, whenever that old sensation of his fear returned to him, what he said to Mr. Terror, or his fear was, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" So this was a changed personality now, and he had conquered his fear. And he actually drove a very larger meaning out of his own life through his experiences. What was it? That all we have to fear is fear itself. जिस बात का हमें डर होता है, वो actually उस बात में डर नहीं होता है, डर में खुद ही डर है. All we have to fear is fear itself, and it's not death which we are feared of. It's that fear of death जिससे हमें डर लगता है. So it's because death is full of life, full of peace, and जो death का fear है, only that can terrorize us, only that can make us fear of it. और जो नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस फेस किया विलियम डगलस ने, और जो फियर था डेथ का जो उन्होंने फेस किया, इट ओनली इंक्रीज्ड हिज विल टू लिव. जो भी एक्सपीरियंस उसने किया, जो when he felt that he will be no more, and he regained his consciousness, as we all explored what his experience was. तो ये जो नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस था, उससे उन्होंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, और जो उनकी चाहत थी जीने की, एक्चुअल में वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. And this is how he conquered his fear. He did not run away from his fear, but he faced it, and he rose like a star and became a very nice swimmer. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Till then, take care and stay safe.